Hello, welcome on my stream, and I hope you can hear me. So here I am going to take a payout today, and I will use if I use bank transfer, then enter IBAN or account details. I will go with TRC20, that is Tron network. I will enter my wallet address and then submit the request. But for now, let's analyze the charts and let some more people get into the stream. Let me share the stream first, and then we will look at what we will be doing. How and when we will be doing the giveaway, and when will we be taking the payout. The market is going bullish on USD JPY, then the gold must be bullish as well. And literally saying, I don't see any structure today in the market. Literally no structure is being observed by me right now, so I am not very excited to take a trade, any more trades like I have taken in the past. I'm really not excited. We had this thunder fair value gap with a price is already rejecting from. We have sell side liquidity here, so this could have been a great trade, but we are not taking it. Not right now, not anymore. USD JPY, looking on the USD JPY, if we look here, this could be our entry, but it would be for the short side as well. Actually, this will be our entry here, this block here. The market should come back down and then it should go up. That would have been our entry, but now we have not got any entry. Hello sir, I took three trades today. 2 P1 BE. Great. Uh, Afak Hussain, very good. I hope you are trading a live account or something, but great trades. I will be taking a payout today from Wealthora Funded. My payout is $2,500. My total profit is $3,000, $3,170, and my share is $2,500. So I will be taking this payout today. So I want the stream to be shared with as many people as possible. So I will be streaming. Uh, I will be sharing it with my audience right now. Is $2,500. My total profit is $3,000, $3,170, and my share is $2,500. So I will be taking this payout today. So I want the stream to be shared with as many people as possible. So I will be streaming. I am going to stream my. I will be sharing it with. Sorry, I am going to share my stream with my audience right now. So have some patience, and I will back. I will be back soon. $80 loan. Let me get my payout. Then only then I will be able to decide if I can lend money or not. This liquidity was not swiped. I am willing to risk one more $100 on this trade to the long side. So I'm going to share my stream with my audience right now. So have some patience, and I will be back soon. Let the Discord open. Loan. Let me get my payout. Then only then I will be able to decide if I can lend money or not. This liquidity was not swiped. I'm willing to risk one more $100 on this trade. Let's come back at the stream and let me observe the market now. We have this mass block and long short. So they have changed these awesome. So they have changed the logo for long and short. This is for long and this is for short. So they have literally ended the disruption, or I say some confusions, totally disrupted some confusions. This is going to be the biggest of the, I can risk on $100 on this trade surely for 1 is to 6 RR. And let's see if they have said anything. I will close. Sir, I will get that back to you after receiving first payout from my funded square 1525K instant account. So bro, why don't you take a payout and then use that $80? Just have patience and use your 25K instant account and take a payout. Why ask for money to some from someone else? Okay, so I haven't received any response from the Dave, the CEO, so I will just proceed. And but what first we will take a trade. Either we lose $100 or we get $600 on USD JPY. Here is our trade. Here is our trade. Here goes our stop loss. And we go for 1 is to 6, right? I think the market has yet to come to our level. We are seeing totally different charts on these two places. USD JPY here and USD JPY on my MT5 are showing totally different charts. Like it's totally different. Let's look at GBP USD and Euro USD. Euro USD swapped out this liquidity and it is ready to go to the upside as much as I know. So this is the thunder fair value gap, and if the GBP USD is ready to go upside, then USD JPY must come to the downside. That's the correlation game. Let's look at dollar index at once at first as well. Here is horizon fair value gap. So the dollar index is deemed to come down if we are using this as well. Then inversion fair value gap is valid if this is how it works. When there is volume imbalance, then the market should drop down below, and if the market drops, USD JPY will drop as well. But if USD JPY drops, how am I going for a long? That is not possible. But if USD JPY drops, this GBP USD long can work out. So let's go to GBP USD and take a trade. If we put the risk here and the stop loss here, that is too much of risk. 3 2 this is the right risk. For $80 I can go for $1,500, or I say let's go to 120 plus 15, $135 in losses and $500 in profit. But I'm still not sure about this dollar index. going down lower. If it goes up, then USDJPY will go up as well. We have anti-correlation in models in two major assets, so we are not able to. Sir, I have to buy that. Oh, so you want $80 to buy 25K instant account? You are done for the day. That is good. But you want to get $180 too, so you can buy a 25K instant account. I would suggest you to go with $1 instant account for a few aqua funded and try to get some payout from that. There is 1K instant account. I hope you can work with instant account. 1K instant account for $1. Take $100 payout from that and then buy account from a funded squad. USD JPY is going up and GBP USD is going up as well. I am just confused right now if the gold is coming down or not. There is a huge pool of liquidity for the gold, for the dollar index to come down. If dollar index comes down, USD JPY will come down as well, and GBP USD will rise. So I'm willing to take this trade and take a loss of 100 and 2.5, 100 and something dollars for a profit of $500. This will be my last trade of the day. Is there any liquidity above? Any liquidity? Actually, there is massive pools of liquidity above. Here it is. So I think this trade is kind of viable and really workable now. It can work out. So let's place this limit order. Either we lose $100, 100 plus dollars, or we gain $500. So let's place this on the chart. 35443 is our entry. 35443. This is our entry. Stop loss is 35369, 3535, 35, 36, 396, 396. Okay, and exit should be my. Here are the liquidities. I should target one of these liquidities. Let me target the highest, or the 1 is to 5, or the 1 is to 7 RR liquidity. This 1358, 1358. We have 1356, 135644, 135644. This is not going to even to 1 is to 4 RR. I am going to aim for 135722, 135722, 135722, or 23. Let's see if this trade is possible or not. Let's see if the market comes back down and dig into our 100 fair value gap, take our entry and then go up, and then we will request our payout. Sir, 15% consistency, bro. There is a consistency everywhere on the funded accounts. If you are using a funded account, there will be consistency. That's nothing. That's no one. That is nothing to hide, and that there is no one that is going to give you a funded account without consistency. So you have to go with consistency. If you can't risk with a 25% consistency, sorry, 15% consistency, then I can't risk my money with you. So we are coming, the market is coming down. I hope we get an entry and the market comes, then the market goes up as well. Here is Discord. Someone is on the Discord mentioning me. Let's look at the person. Are you gifting free account on live? Not for today. Let's see now what happens. We are in GBP USD. The market is poised to go up from here. We have a lot of liquidities above, like shit tons of liquidity that market needs to clear. It might not clear right now, but it will surely clear those liquidities out. And these are minor liquidities. This is the also a minor liquidity, if to say. This is this is the main liquidity. Let's see if the market comes back to our level or not. We took out this liquidity for sure. We had a market structure shift here, and now the market is going up already. This liquidity will be swiped, I think. Yeah, this one is swiped. I should have taken an entry while the market was here. So let's look at USD JPY now. USD JPY is holding the prices, and it has yet not swiped this liquidity. If this liquidity is swiped, then I will look for shorts on USD JPY. But for now, I'm bullish on USD, so I should be bullish on gold as well. But the gold is not going up. Those pairs are working like anti-correlated pairs. GBP has a very clean price action today. Really clean, really clean price action. Oh no bro, it's nothing to say. 100 squad and fifth stone have no consistency. Oh, so I didn't know. Sorry. If I could, I would surely lend you money, but I don't have the payout yet. I still need to request a payout. See, and once I get the payout, only then I will be able to give any kind of giveaways. Like here, you are doing like how which are such a good trades. Then why are you asking for other people for a money? You can just take $10 from your own and convert it to $100 or $1,000 and $1,000,000. You are such a great trader. USD nothing at all, nothing right now. Let's take a payout now. We will request, sorry, but we will take for a trade first, right? No trade, no payout. First we must take a trade, and only then we will request a payout. The dollar index, let's see, dollar index has begun to come down. So if the dollar index has begun to come down, the USGBP USD will surely go up. So we should use this fair value gap as the entry, or this change in state of delivery should be used as entry. Change in state of delivery plus fair value gap. Let's see, if we get a week, then I will use this as an entry to enter for the longs. Okay, so this was used as an week, so I will use this to enter a long. I will long enter here and put my stop loss all the way here, so I can take a total of 6. Let's delete this one. Okay, let's take a risk here, risk here, and stop loss will come to here. It is $132 of stop loss. Let's see if we get a week. If we get a week, we will take this trade. If we don't get a week, we don't not take this trade. I'm waiting for a week to the up and a body to the upper side of the fair value gap, or the body to the at least upper side of the. So this fair value gap held the prices, and we want to close above this fair value gap now. Only then I will execute this trade. Otherwise, I will not execute this trade. This fair value gap is acting as inversion right now. Let's see, if we had our uh, stop loss entry here 13448, then what would have happened? Or if this candle will close above the fair value gap, if this fair value gap is respected right now, let's zoom it, then I will take a market entry from the. Okay, so I'm going to take a market entry right now. Place the stop loss just below this candle's low, modify the trade. So this becomes my trade now. What is the entry? 35486. 35486 is the entry. What is my stop loss? Remember, this is also a model, this is not something random. Okay, it is 3535467. Okay, so this is the stop loss. 1:12, it is going to be good trade, or it will be a loss. How much of loss I'm going to get? 30 plus 14 is 144. So $144 worth of uh, this is $144 worth of risk for TP will be 135,722. 135,722. This will be the TP. Modify. So here is the trade right now. So we have the trade on. Let's see how it unfolds. First of all, with 60 lots, we have $30 of commissions, brokerage commissions, and then we have $114 of risk. So let's see how it unfolds. Our only barrier and protector is this fair value gap. Apart from that, we don't have anything else that is protecting our stop losses from being hit. Let's look at forexfactory.com and see if there is any news that can price drive the prices higher. There is a news at 9:15 a.m., but I don't think that will. Okay, I'm not really on the chat section, so sorry for that. I am just looking at the my trade right now, and I think I will be stopped out. The fair value gap is totally closed with a body, so this is a bad indication of my for me. So that is my stop loss can be taken out. But I had this that I will take a trade in NY session, only then I will take my payout. So that's it. This is going to be the SL, I think, but we still have hope. The world is working on hope, so let's have some hope and let's wait for our TP or SL to be hit. We are coming back in break even. Okay, so market weak. Market again trying to come up, but the market is not being allowed to go up. Here now you can see properly on MT5 we had an opening with volume imbalance to the downside. Okay, so we are going to be stopped out, I think. Okay, so we are okay, so we have been stopped out now. I think I should have put my SL a little bit higher. So I have a total loss of $262. So okay, $262 loss. So I have no more in like my account. $3,000. Is it $3,000 now? Let's see how much I have left right now. I am left with $3,026. So that is not a bad thing. I will request my payout now. Request a payout method. I will use USD TRC20, and here let me go to not the sorry. Let me come to red pay deposit USDT on chain. Which network should I use? Let's request a payout. Select payment method. I will use TRC20. Let's see TRC20. Here it is TRC20. Mean the deposit amount must be greater than a minimum deposit must, otherwise it will not be credited and may result in asset loss. I understand. So I have to deposit on this. Your current address only support depositing USDT on Tron TRC20. Here I have selected TRC20. Okay. Now I need to copy this wallet address. This wallet address is copied, and now I will come to my Telegram. I will paste this here. Okay, then I will come here. I will copy the pasted text, copy text, and I will paste it here. Control V. Now let's match the last first and last digits. These are totally different addresses. How did this happen? So let me look at my Telegram first. Copy. Oh, I think I copied the right. I think I copied the right address. Paste. Now let's look at the address on the phone and the. Now let's look at the address on the here on the phone and here on the uh, what I say withdrawal method. So this is going to be my like payout method proof as well. So my profit is $3,026. My payout will be 2,420 24,000 sorry $2,421, right? That is my profit split. I am using USDT TRC20. This is depositing USDT on USDT TRC20 address as well. Okay, my wallet address starts with TLWWSF TLWWSF and ends with WE7E and ends with WE7E. So we are good to submit a. So I'm going to press submit request button right now, and we will submit a request to take the payout. Submit request. Okay, so we have submitted a request to take payout. Let's see. Your payout request has been submitted, well thought of funded. So my payout request has been submitted, and let's see when I get my payout. Let's share this with the community on Discord. Well thought of funded. Come on, come on. Is this lagging? What the fuck? I think I should have put my entry here. I should have taken this CISD and FPG trade. This was not high probability setup. You're just looking at USD JPY. It has swiped out this liquidity, and we have a breaker block. We have a mass block. The mass block will take the prices to the lower side. Okay, here it is. Let me share it on funded only. Control V. Payout request submitted. Let's see how long it takes to be credited into my wallet. Well, Thora funded. I have requested the payout now. Thank you, Gazi. Thank you for the congratulations. Bro, everyone will hit SL. That is not how trading you become pro in trading. The thing is how you manage your risk. I have managed my risk, and I have only lost like 2% on wheel. That I knew that I can lose 3% today, so I used only, and I am 30% up, and I risk only 0.5% most of the times. Okay, so I knew my risks, and I traded with all all my consciousness in my hand. So that's how that what make a trader pro is how they manage their risk and how they react on their losses. So I have submitted my payout request right now, and I hope it's approved very. I hope it will be approved very soon. And let's go to funded traders. Share your funded certificates. Sorry. Now it's time to tweet this on X. MT5. I've lost $262 today. This could have been a good payout as well. Let's switch to my SachinM Trades account. 2 minutes ago. Okay, the payout submitted with welfare of 100. Okay, what's the notification? Let's pay it. That's the biggest payout with well or funded submitted. Let's see how long it takes to arrive. This is not reuse W wealth or 100 submitted. Let's see how long it takes to arrive. Post this now. Come to profile. I need to share this on my socials as well, on Discord. Copy link wealth or 100. Come to wealth or 100 and content creators. Save this here and tag the CEO Dave. Now it's time to share it on my X posts. At the rate I was taking those trades, so I could afford, so I can get some extra money to do giveaways, some extra giveaways. Okay, so that is it for today, and I will be seeing you tomorrow in the SES session. But I think we haven't streamed for too long. It's only been 38 minutes. So let's uh, keep on analyzing the account trades. I will switch off the my phone group, and we will observe the market now. Okay, sir. Bye. Actually, I'm not closing the stream right now, but if you are going, then bye. Let's go to a Nasdaq. It is the right time to look at Nasdaq. Let's look at my explore. let's look at SachinM. SachinM trades. Let's repost this. Repost. Who commented on this? Let's close the payout. Pending payout exists dashboard. Request payouts. It is here. Is payout history. We have USD TRC20. We have recorded everything. We have double check, cross checked everything. So we are not going to fall into any other stuff. This is my accounts. This is my two account. This is I bought. This one is another account. This is the account I passed and got funded, and I'm taking a payout now. So let's get back to trading. I'm still streaming, bros. I'm still streaming. Take a payout now. We will request, sorry, but we will take a trade first, right? Here, copy the right address, paste. Now let's look at the address on the phone and the. Now let's look at the address on the here on the phone and here on the what I say withdrawal method. So this is going to be my live payout method proof as well. So my profit is $3,026. My payout will be 2,421, right? It is my profit split. I am using USDT TRC20. This is depositing USDT TRC20 address as well. Okay, my wallet address starts with TLWWSF, TLWWSF, and ends with WE7E, and ends with WE7E. So we are going to submit a. So I'm going to press submit request button right now, and we will submit a request to take the payout. Submit request. Okay, so we have submitted a request. Well, if you are watching this stream, then you can just go to Wealth Funded and use code SachinM to get 25% off on any trade. Sorry, I mean on any account you want. Good evening to everyone. We were about to take a trade, but we didn't get any entries. We have this mass block right now. We have this mass block right now which just got validated. I'm not going to I'm not going to okay. I'm not going to share my MT5 today because I've requested a payout. Sumant. Hi Sumant, hello, how are you? Welcome on the stream. So I'm not going to share my this is going to be stop loss. We can target for these lows that will give us 1 is to 8 RR, but the condition is market comes back to our level. So let's see, close this one trade. Let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is still holding up. Let's look at GBP USD. We had a trade there, right? Okay, so the market, let's move this. So the market came down, took in our trade, and then went up. So our initial analysis was right. We were chutias to take a trade here. We should have waited for the market to come down all the way to our. The market had really all came all the way back to our entry, and then it is going up. Our exit was all the way up here, so I cannot take any trades right now because this was our entry somewhere here, and our stop loss was this one. Our TP was all the way up here to the major buy side. It was 1 is to 8 trade, I think. Let's see, let's observe this trade today, and I not take any trades anymore. My mentor is live. My mentor is live right now, and I really want to close the stream and watch his stream. I think the dollar index will fall rapidly in a very rapid pace because it has a lot of liquidities below. It will fall in a rapid pace, and that will make the GBP USD go up in a very quick and a rapid pace as well. So let's wait and watch this trade. The inner circle trader is alive. So what is he teaching right now? Okay, so I will just uh, close the stream now, and I will watch my mentorship, that because that is more important to me. And I have uh, streamed what was mentioned in the thumbnail, and that what was the title. So I think it's okay to stop close the stream now. So tata, bye bye, and have a good day.